Okay, we've been hearing some weird things. Like, I heard a rock being thrown, same for Winnie, but what did you hear?
I hear like these weird noises like, and like, like it's not birds at all. Like these are creepy sounds.
I mean, like not scary enough to make us like not spend the night here sometimes, but like it sounds like the adventure. Yeah. So, have you been hearing anything creepy?
Yes, loads of things. And can I show y'all something that's super creepy? It's a random beer bottle. Look, a random beer bottle. Now that is just so crazy. One thing that I don't like about here is that someone tried to break in because this house hasn't been used in a long time and it was used to keep a lot of old things. So yeah, that's creepy.